It's just too fast not to show you. Look at that. God, that's fast. That's filling out the Perth skies very fast. And look at that real drifty, drippy shit up there. Real obvious evidence of chemical drift in the sky. Some people will never believe though. But still, you've got to try and alert those few, or those who will understand when given the facts instead of the bullshit by the musicians and the government who are allowing this to go on unchecked for year after year. Google aerosol crimes. This is Basra for truth will overcome tyranny.